What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about 5 things you need in your toolbox or garage or wherever you keep lubricants and cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So let's get to work. For those of you that don't know me, my name is John Maxwell. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattahoochee Harley Davidson. And on this channel I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley Davidson, consider hitting the subscribe button right now. So before I jump right into the stuff you need for your toolbox or garage, I want to talk about one really cool email from a fella named John. So obviously he's a cool dude. He owns a small coffee shop up in Rhode Island. He said, "I saw you drinking Folgers in one of your videos and it made me throw up a little." So then he offered to send in some coffee to me for me and the guys to try out. And I was like, bourbon coffee? Yeah, you can send me some of that shit. So he did send me some in. Some Cooper's Coffee bourbon whiskey barrel, which, I mean, he said bourbon coffee and I was like. He also sent me in some Sumatra. I guess that's how you say that. He said it's his favorite, and I tried some over the weekend and it was pretty good too. I tried some over the weekend without even opening that one because he sent me all kind of other stuff. This is the like 3-pack set. It's a gift box thing. It's pretty cool. Try a couple of different roasts that they offer. That's what I took one of these home and tried some of that over the weekend, so my wife loves me, that's for sure. So I don't know much about coffee, but bourbon whiskey barrel really caught my attention. So I started reading it, and turns out he roasted this on 3/20/18 and then 2 days shipped it to me. So this is like as fresh as coffee can be, pretty much. Numbers it and stuff like that, so real like personal touch. It says the tasting notes are chocolate hazelnut, sweet plums, roasted nuts with a bourbon finish. I don't know, my palate's not that sharp. I just said palate. I just know it tastes like bourbon. I thought it said it on here, but I guess he had just told me in the email that it's aged for 45 to 60 days in a Kentucky bourbon barrel, which is where the bourbon flavor comes from. Pretty cool. All Folger says on it is it's bold yet smooth. I missed. Alright, I'm making coffee and we'll get into the first one. The scoop was in there. So while that's brewing, we can talk about 5 things you need in your toolbox or garage, however you organize your stuff. First thing you guys are always seeing me and asking me about is Knox Mx3 Lubricant. Actually says it's Australian and New Zealand food grade approved, which is kind of weird. Anyway, let's go to the bench and talk about it. So at some point we quit getting Knox and our supplier started suggesting get some 1000. It's pretty much the exact same thing. I do like this bottle more, so I take this stuff because it's harder to squeeze and pour it in this nice soft plastic bottle. I did actually find Knox on Amazon when I was looking for a link for you guys. There's not very many left. I don't know if they'll replenish or what, but I linked both of those 2 products down there. I use that for lubricating saddlebag hinges, fuel door caps, clutch levers, all sorts of little things like that that you need long nozzle for. And a bunch of you guys have asked me in previous videos what it is I'm using. Well, that's the stuff. Second thing I use a ton of is Tri-Flow. Tri-Flow is actually a aerosol type lubricant, so it's good for, well, kickstands, clutch boots, throttle cable boots, any of the adjusters that need to be lubricated during a service. This is what I use. And when I was searching it out on Amazon to link it for you guys down in the description, I found out that they actually have a product very similar to Knox and the Get Some 1000. So, worth checking out. Price check yourself, you know, figure out which one you want. Anyway, like so. Next up, PJ1. You've seen me use it. I don't have a bike to use it on right now. which is good. This can's pretty much empty. Yeah, it's far superior to brake clean than, it's far superior to brake clean for cleaning up oil and residue stuff. Hold on. It's industrial grade, bro. Yeah, it removes oil and carbon. That's what it says on the can. It's actually, I get a bunch of griping about whether or not it's safe to use. It's actually in the P&A catalog. So it has a Harley part number. I can't remember right now what the Amazon price is. I'll put it on the screen maybe. It's $9.95 at the parts counter. Yes, $9.95 at the parts counter. So that might be something that's cheaper to actually get at your dealer than it is to get on Amazon. I don't know. You've seen me use it on air cleaners. You've seen me use it on the inner primary leak a few weeks ago. It's awesome for stuff like that. What else is awesome is PB Blaster. Now you can get this stuff at Walmart in the link below. We actually don't sell this in the shop, at the parts counter, wherever we sell things in this place. It's great for, well, breaking stuff loose. It breaks loose faster, guys. Just don't get it on your rotor and stuff. I use it mostly for exhaust systems because they tend to rust up and, well, it's really hard to get pipes apart from mufflers a lot of times. Use a rag to cover the muffler up. Use a rag and cover the rotor. What did I just say? I don't know. Keep from making a big old mess. I'll even hit the exhaust nuts and let them soak for a minute at the cylinder heads. Now you're going to want to hit front and rear depending on how old the bike is. You don't always need to do this. This one I pretty much just did for the video so I could demonstrate. It's like a brand new motor cell. The next item on the list, Harley Davidson spray cleaner and polish. I use this spray on everything because it's safe on paint, windshields, and pipes. It's the only thing that's not linked in the description. It's available through a Harley dealer, but it's good stuff. It's 10 bucks a can, I think. So it's pretty in line with everything that is linked in the description. Quitting time, John boy. What? Alright, I've officially switched to Munster post-lunch. This morning I was on that Cooper's coffee, the bourbon flavored one, and I don't remember if I mentioned this morning when I made that pod or not, that I like the Sumatra better. So does John. Awesome name, by the way. And if you like bourbon, the bourbon aged is good. I'm just not a huge fan of bourbon. It is good coffee though. So make sure to check out those links below. If you've got chemicals you like to use on your projects, throw those in the comments too. I'm always curious to learn more stuff. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you know somebody that's having trouble getting mufflers off or something like that, you know, make sure to share this video with them because, well, it's why half of why I make my work look so easy is because I know exactly what to use. Squeaky things aren't squeaky anymore, all that good stuff. If you like this video, give it a big dirty thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification so you know when I'm uploading. And otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.